Alright, so we're going to work on learning to make graphs and tables on the computer so that they're neater and more orderly. In order to do that, we're going to use Microsoft Excel, not Google Sheets. You have to use Excel, so you have to follow my directions carefully. So in order to get to Excel, you're going to click on your start icon right at the bottom left of your screen over here. And when it comes up in this type here to search, you're going to start typing in EXCEL. Mine comes up very quickly because I use it all the time, but you don't. So you'll have to type in the whole word. Click on Excel, and it will open the program. So here we have Excel. It has all of these options at the top that we're going to learn how to use, and it has a grid down here, and that's where you're going to type your data. So I'm going to put in some sample data that I have from an experiment I did where they used different colors. If you use different leaves or different amounts of baking soda or different temperatures or whatever, that's fine. You'll type yours in. So we're going to, we're going to click, and I'm just going to click here so that I'll be able to see my whole box. And I'm going to type in the headings from my table. So time in minutes. If it goes out of the box, don't worry, we're going to fix that. And number of discs. And we're going to want a second line because that one's very long. So in order to get to the second line, you're going to press the Alt key, which is right next to your space bar, and hold it while you press Enter, and it will take you to the next line. So you're going to type in your two headings. Now that looks kind of funny. So in order to make it fit correctly, you're going to click, double click right here between the B and the C, and it'll make it longer. Now we don't want this many rows. We can make it a little longer than that. So if we make it a little wider, we can probably get it on 2 lines. So that's what we want. And we'll center it and do all kinds of things later. So we're going to type in our data. So it's just a minute while I type in my data. All right, so I've typed in my time, and I'm going to type in my data real quick. All right, and this, I forgot to leave space, so I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to paste it down one row further because I need to put that this was my lamp light. So I need to head all of my tables appropriately. So now we're going to type in all 3. All right, so continue until you have all 3. This is going to be my red. And then I'm also going to do, I did green light as well. So I'll get all those in there. And then for the next video, you'll learn how to make the table nice and centered and pretty. So I'll finish typing my data and pick up in the next one with how to center it.